Hey everybody, the second process has started. As you can see, we have, I got one little limb down, let me pull it off, but I got two succulent plants. They look like little trees in a fairy garden. I got another little strange plant over here that was in the yard, and I don't know what it'll do, but we'll see as this little fairy garden grows. Yes, I'm sweating. Sorry if I look sweaty. Maybe I don't. But I got all the moss in pretty much. I think I got a couple more pieces I'm going to put in. And then there's little spots here and there that probably need a little moss. I might add them in a little while, but I'll try to fix this up with some fairy garden stuff for you guys to see, and hopefully you'll like it. I am going to, I have this little moss like hill right here. It's really, really cool. I don't really know if I'll put anything on it or not, but we'll see. Let me add a little extra moss just around the edges here. Let's see. I got some really, really great moss. I went back out in the woods for my second process, and I was like, I'm going to get some killer great moss, and I did. But I got killer bit up by the mosquitoes. And I'm still out here trucking, even though I'm bit up by mosquitoes and I am really, really hot. I am still doing it because I love doing this. All right, so I got my pieces in. As you can see, it's looking great. Let's see if y'all can see the whole thing. The whole thing's full of moss plants. I got rocks around the succulents. That's the best thing for succulents, is to have those rocks like right over them, so they can stay stable. I'm getting a call. Let's see. Oh, I'm getting a phone call. I have no clue who it is. I'm not answering it. No phone calls on my time. No. I've got a fairy garden to finish here. They can get back to me later. Okay. Let me add a little more moss here. Gosh, don't you guys just can't stand it when you're in the middle of doing something, your phone rings? But your phone never rings when you want it to ring, I guess. It's really weird. But guess that's the way of the world. People like to call you when you're busy. I'm not a big talker on the phone. I like texting. Yeah, I'm new school. I like to text. I'm not old school anymore. But are they for real calling back? Who could that be? I don't know. It might be one of my Craigslist ads, but I'm not worried about my Craigslist ad right now. It's for a free item anyways. Okay. I'm almost done with the moss. I'm so excited. I love it when I finish the moss process. And yeah, I love it when finish that moss process and you can just start making it cute with all your little stuff. All right, so let me check out the front for myself. It's looking a little hardcore up in here, but we'll see how it goes. I mean, the moss in this pot hasn't, I don't know, it's not settling completely right like I want it, but after I water it and stuff, it should be fine. And add maybe some extra moss, but we'll see. I'm going to add some rocks for sure. Oh my gosh, can you guys even see me? Yeah, I think you can. I want you guys to see the fairy garden the most, either way. All right. There's also a piece of moss right here that has a little plant growing right out of it, which I get those a lot. All right, so let's start with the stuff. Let me turn it this way so y'all can see this. I'm going to make this like the front. This is the back end. All right, so we're going to start with, I have my pickings. Oh, okay. this little chair. Y'all are gonna love it. Look how cute that is. I was thinking about putting the little chair somewhere right in here. Let me see real quick. Oh, like that. Gonna shove it into that moss a little bit. What do y'all think? Cute or not? Maybe it should be faced kind of like that. This will be like my front. Yeah. That is so adorable. Okay, I was gonna add this thing that I have it set on is kind of uneven. As you can see, it's going wobbling. I have this little wheelbarrow and I filled it with dirt. But I don't know if I should put anything in it because you really can't put plants in something that won't drain. But what could I do? It is cute though, putting it right there or something. What could I put in this little thing? Maybe I'll just do like this little layer of baby moss and see what it looks like. It probably look cute. Let me see. So I'm just like putting moss in the bottom of it. I really don't think it looks that cute, but oh well. Let me see. Get that moss in there. Come on. Get in there. Get in there. All right. Got some moss. I mean, it looks all right, I guess. I don't know. Maybe y'all can tell me what you think. Maybe it's a horrible idea. I don't know. I'm just always playing around really with this stuff. I'm not a pro. I don't think none of us are pros. But I guess it's just like fun to try something new and see if it works, you know? If it don't work, then you try. It's looking kind of all right. Let me see. I might add another piece here. Right there. Oh, it's breaking a little. I'm getting sand all over my freaking pants. Oh well, I'm about to go take a shower because I'm like addicted to showers. I think it looks so weird. I don't think this is a good idea. Love came up with a bad idea today. That looks crappy as hell. Okay. Scratch that. I'm going to just put rocks in it. Pour that out. I'll put rocks in it eventually, so we'll just find a spot for it right now. Let me turn it back to me so I can see what I'm doing here. See, the moss on this side looks shitty. I mean, to me anyway. I mean, I think it looks good. It's just not perfect. So I gotta add some more before I put my little wheelbarrow or whatever it is in there. I think it's a wheelbarrow. Alright, yeah, I always forget what things are, and I kind of come up with my own term. So if you guys are like, what did she just say? You could ask me and I'll remember, and I'll tell you what I said. I might add some like little pearls and stuff around this one, since there is a lot of little cracks from the moss where I've been putting it in. See, I'm like filling the little cracks with moss, but since all the cracks aren't going to be able to be filled completely because there's so little, I'll have to add some pearls and stuff in here, or some little sequin, or not sequins, but little pearlescent balls, whatever they are. You can get them from Dollar Tree or Walmart, really anywhere. You can Hobby Lobby. They have all sorts of cool stuff. You can get all sorts of stuff for these fairy gardens. And then I found out online you can go to fairygarden.com, and it's extremely expensive. I will warn you on that. But they have some really cute stuff. I won't doubt it. But sometimes when you look at it, you're like, wait, I think I can get a better deal on Amazon. And come to find out, I looked on Amazon last night, and Can get a few better deals on Amazon, but it is some cute stuff. I mean, it's personalized. It's called fairygarden.com, and it's super personalized fairy garden things. And yeah, you might be spending an arm and a leg, but hey, if you're making a cute fairy garden out of it, it might not be too bad. You might be excited for that delivery at your front doorstep. I know I'd be excited either way, even if I spent that money or not. I'm sure I'll buy something off of there eventually, but not now, honey. Mama ain't got funds right now. Not for no $95 little baby swing set or something. Holy hell. That's insane. I'm just a regular old girl. Can't afford that kind of stuff. Alright. I gotta afford dinner. How can I afford dinner, Billy Joe, if I'm out there all day long doing my fairy gardens with my $95 fairy garden swing set and my $150 fairy house? I don't know, Cindy. I think you're wasting money out there on the farmer end. On the farmer's end, we aren't making crap over here. Betty Lou's over here making fairy gardens that cost damn $500. We don't have the funds for it. We can't even sell these things for $500. You have to be really into it for that kind of money. As I was into my little redneck talk there. Yeah, you guys like that? Y'all like that little redneck talk I got? No, I'm joking. I always like to do little voices, especially English. Let's do a little English. Let's have a little English tea together. Let's have, honey, will you please throw that pork on the barbecue? I don't think they do that in London or England. Let's go have a cup of tea with the Queen. Let's go enjoy the afternoon with old Billy Joe down the road. Oh, it's raining. Let's go inside and play a board game together. Maybe chess. Chess would be the right one to go to. Let's go for the chessboard. What do y'all think? Oh, there goes my little watering pill. Okay. What do y'all think? Actually, it's looking pretty damn good in my opinion. Alright. So I got my little pail. Very, very cute. I'm gonna put this little baby right there. Oh, what do you think, Billy Joe? Does it look good? Does my little watering pail look good there, Billy? I can't take my watering pail looking bad. Let me pull this branch right off so my watering pail can sit there. Well, let's see. Oh, well. Watering pail's a little off. Let me put it in a little other area. Oh, I think it looks great there. How about that, y'all? Okay, well, this fairy garden isn't the cutest, so we'll say. I mean, I think it's damn cute. I mean, it is cute. Don't get me wrong. Just gotta work on it. But I do love it. I hope y'all love it as much as I love it. Let's see. I'll put that right there. I'll put this one right there. That one right there. Somewhere. And the fairy garden is done. This is really not a fairy garden. It's more like a miniature garden setup in a pot. Enjoy it. Love it. Like and subscribe. Thank you guys.